Welcome, guys. Today is a new week, new energy, new plans for the week. Yesterday, don't forget, yesterday was Monday, so today, but I don't usually trade on Monday. My trading usually starts on from Tuesday. So I want to share out my first trade of the week to you guys. Being on Tuesday, I made about 80 pips, 84 pips on USD JPY. Now, stay with me. Let me show you the simple strategy I use. The head and the shoulder strategy will made me the 84 pips in profit today. Now, before you start your analysis, you start on the 4 hour time frame or daily time frame as a day trader. That's what they call top down analysis. You figure out the trend of the market. If the market is a downtrend, an uptrend, or a ranging market. So this was where I spot my entry. I start my analysis from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, you discover that the market it's a downtrend. The market is a downtrend with a series of lower highs, with a series of lower lows. This is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, then this is a low, this is a lower low. So before you spot an entry, you first of all mark out your support and resistance. So this was the last resistance I had that break and turn to support. Then from now, turn to support, turn to resistance. Now, this is the last low I had. Then the market went back to resistance. So once you go on the 4 hour time frame, you will discover that. But then the market was around this area. Market was around this area. The market was around this resistance. So on the resistance, now again, the market was this market was moving up, but the moving up was not just ordinary move up. The market was moving with series of higher highs and lower low. Don't forget, before you confirm any trend, you have to first of all confirm if the market is giving you about at least two or three higher highs. That is where to spot if the market is a downtrend or an uptrend. But again, when the market was moving up, the market was moving up with series of higher highs. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is and this was where the market was. So at the point, it was at the point of resistance. So now, in the rules of the market says sell from resistance, buy from support. You understand? So now the market was at this resistance here, but at the same time, my aim was that if the market, as the market is creating series of high, with the market break above the resistance, this was my aim for the market. If the market break above this resistance, turn to support, then I will go for a buy, following the minor trend of the market, which was going as an uptrend. But again, when the market touches at the resistance, if you go on the 1 hour time frame, you discover that this market gave me a head and a shoulder pattern within this area. So within this area, this was the neckline. So my aim was to go directly from a sell. But again, the market could not break this neckline. This was where the market was. The right shoulder was just formed without breaking the neckline. So this was where I was waiting for the market to come back, break this. I was waiting for the market to come back from here, break it, retest, then I'll go for a sell, targeting this resistance, this support that turned to resistance around this area. This was it from this place. That was my main hope to target from here and then my take profit was to be here. So now once you go on the 15-minute time frame, you discover that the market was almost broken. You understand? The neckline was broken already. So normally any trade you want to take, you take your trade. Your entry should be on 15-minute time frame. So I wait for the candle to close above the neckline. So the candle eventually broke the neckline and then came back. Immediately it came back to retest it. But the retest was a minor retest from this point. So I spot my entry around this area. But you may not be able to see this entry, this retest clearly. You can't see it clearly only if you go on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, we discover that the market clearly retested the neckline. So from there, I spot my entry from here. From this point, targeting my next support that turns to resistance. So this was my target from here. But I could not put it exactly at that point because I have to be out of the market because before the market get to the point of target. So this was where I put my take profit about 78 pips. So now when you use Fibonacci retracement from this zone to this zone, you discover that the market is still giving you your take profit at the same point. So this was where I, I took my entry from this point. About 2 hours. And then my stop loss was about 20 pips. Yeah, about this was the entry. So the market finally boom. And here is it. Here is the result. Thank you guys. If you like my analysis, follow up, subscribe on the YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more content here for you so you can follow up. More content are coming for you to learn. I'll always be here whenever you have a question. You can drop a question here. Then I'll be willing, seeking for your question. I'll be happy if you can follow, drop your question, and then I will follow up, give you clear understanding on wherever you don't understand. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.